Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machine channel. My name is Richard. So as you can see, this is the belt conveyor we supply for the cement grinding plant. So as you can see, the reason why we keep the dust to the minimum is because we have the dusting systems on this belt conveyor, as you can see. And also, the belt conveyor is fully covered by a belt conveyor cover, as you can see. This is, so the structure is you have the cover and you have the rubber ceilings, and then inside of the cover that you will have the belt conveyor that is running inside of the dust cover. Therefore, to minimize the dust emissions inside of the cement grinding plant. And as you can see, we have different dusting points. We have one here, we have one here, and then those are connected to the back filters to remove the dust when the materials are being conveying. So basically, this is our belt conveyor, and then I will introduce about other parts of our equipment. Thank you guys.